Munchags, we're here with this week's Munchie Monday show. In today's show, we have a variety of delicious recipes. Let's get right into it. First, we will be showing you how to make an Oreo mug cake. Did you know that you can find Oreos in over 100 countries? We'll go to Ethan for that. Thank you, Ethan. That looks tasty. Next up, we have Parmesan cheese dip. Here's Pauline with that. That looks great. Thanks, Pauline. The next recipe we have is edible cookie dough. Did you know that the first chocolate chip cookie was the size of a quarter? Reese will be showing you how to make this.
Here's how to make edible cookie dough. You will need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, 6 tablespoons of flour, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Before we start, we're going to heat treat our flour. To heat treat, you're going to microwave for 15 seconds twice. Stir before each time. Then we're going to add in our butter and sugars. Once you're done mixing, it should look something like this. Then add in your milk. Once you've added in your milk, add in your flour. This is your dough. Then add in your chocolate chips. There you have it. Enjoy!
That looks scrumptious. Thanks, Reese. Reese will be also showing you how to make your own Chick-Fil-A sauce. Here's that.
Let's get started. You will need 1/8 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1/8 cup of barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Combine everything into a bowl. Then mix all together. There you have your Chick-fil-A sauce.
Next, we have Sam with a healthy, easy-to-make drink.
Hello students, this is Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy drink for breakfast.
So here's some materials. We got soybean, walnuts, black beans, peanuts, almonds, black sesame seeds, and rock sugar. So we'll all put them into a bowl. And wash them and pour the water out. Put them into the machine. And pour more water in it, but do not extend it the limit. Now we put rock sugar. Now it's time to charge the machine. Start the machine and be careful. Set the timer for 30 minutes and then it's done. Now you got the perfect healthy drink for breakfast and you don't have to eat anything else. And you can put milk in it when you wanted to.
Thank you, Sam. That looks refreshing. And that wraps it up for today's show. Make sure to try out these delicious recipes, and I'll see you next week.